I'm Lovelyn Enrique. Subscribe, watch, and share my video. Ito yung pera na hindi pumasok sa ibang e-wallet. So ito, nag-transfer ako ng 15,185 pero walang pumasok na pera sa receiver. Makikita nyo dito yung available balance ko na lang is 8 pesos na lang yung natira. So dito sa transaction history, wala kang makikita. Blanco, as in blanco, at hindi nag-reflect yung transfer ko na pera. And then dito ang gagawin natin para makapag-report tayo, i-click natin itong profile dito sa baba and then punta lang tayo dito sa help. Ayan. And then makikita nyo yung chat with Gigi. Ita-click natin yan. And then madadirect ka dito. Wait natin, mag-proceed. And then by chatting with me, you agree our privacy notice. And then good morning na siya. And then let me know how can I help you. Ayan. And then dito, I transfer money but recipient not receive money. And then isend lang natin yan. Wait natin yung chat. Could you please clarify with GCash service you need? And then dito, ask something else. And then dito, i-click na send money. Yan, type natin yan. Send money. What help do you need with send money? I have concern with send money. And then, the concern do you have with send money? Ayan, pili na lang kayo. So, dito, yung the recipient did not receive the money, I sent, I did not. Ayan, click natin yan. And then, magre-reply ulit si Gigi. Send money transaction should typically reflect in the GCash wallet. Real time, sabi niya, real time. And then, dito, ang gagawin natin, i-click natin itong no. Did I help resolve your concern? No. Ayan. Click natin yung no para mag-proceed ulit. And then, thank you for your feedback. We're sorry you had a negative experience. And then dito, sa last part na question niya, is all or the details correct? Sabi natin na yes, all details are correct. And then, wait natin. Thank you for confirming it was sent to the correct mobile. So, ayan. And then dito, pili lang kayo kung ano yung ginamit nyo na pag-send ng money. Express send, ayan. So, ang ginamit ko kasi dito is QR code. Nag-scan lang ako ng QR. So, eto, send via QR. Nasa inyo na yan kung express send yung ginamit nyo. Pwede yung piliin. And then dito, where did you make your transaction? Select a date. So, dito, piliin nyo yung date kung kailan nyo sinend yung pera. And then, mag-type lang kayo. So, dito, nung June 23. And then, hindi ko pa na-receive ngayon. Firm date natin. Then back, return to chat. And then dito, where, what the GCash reference transaction ID. Ito yung hahanapin. Dapat meron kayo niyan. Kaya dapat kapag nag-send kayo ng pera kay GCash, sinisave nyo yung resibo or in-screenshot niyo para may pasa kayo kay Gigi. So dito, ilalagay natin yung reference number. And then dito, kapag nilagay nyo na yung reference number, and then, may question din siya ulit, how much did you transfer? So, ilalagay natin yung transfer natin na pera is 15,185 pesos. Hindi po yan kasali yung charges. And then dito, lastly, please upload screenshot of the transaction. So, i-click lang natin itong select file para makapag-send tayo ng screenshot ng resibo ni GCash. Select file natin yan. And then, mapipunta tayo sa select files. Tap natin yan. And then dito, mapupunta kayo dito sa photos niyo. Piliin nyo yung resibo nyo dyan. Nyo dito sa help yung ticket. Tap natin yan. Meron tayong processing dito. So, wait natin. May chat naman sila. Ganyan, mag-update sila. And then, eto, we are actively working on your request and we'll get back to you as soon as possible with an update. So, dito, nag-chat ako na please fix the issue. I need money. And then dito, 2 beses sila na nag-reply ay nag-chat sa akin since nung June 23, 24, ngayon date that our finance reconciliation team is currently addressing your concern. We kindly request your patience and understanding while we working on resolving this matter. And thank you for understanding regard GCash support. So wait lang natin na ma-receive yung pera kasi hindi ko pa siya na-receive talaga. Hindi pa bumabalik yung pera dito sa aking GCash account. Ayan, makikita nyo naman yung available balance ko dito, 8 pesos. And then, sa transaction history, wala ka talagang makikita na record dito kay GCash. Ayan, blanco yung transaction history. Ano na nangyari kay GCash? Kaya yan lang yung laman ng pera ko. Hindi pa ako naglalagay hangga't hindi pa bumabalik yung pera ko. So ganun lang yung pag-submit ticket dito kay GCash. Ayan, sana nasundan nyo, and then sa mga may case na ganito, sana bumalik na rin yung pera nyo. So yun lang, stay safe and healthy. God bless po. Bye-bye.